Well, 2003 Corvette 50th Anniversary Edition, one of my favorite cars, I think specifically because of the color combination on these cars. And let me tell you, this one shines. Deep shine. Beautiful on this car. Anniversary red exterior, Shale interior, and a beautiful Shale convertible top. Under the hood, 350 horsepower LS1 engine, automatic transmission, and posi rear end. Features include the $5,000 1SC Preferred Equipment Group. We'll remind you this includes the 50th Anniversary Package, heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, F55 magnetic selective ride control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and auto headlights. It also has the performance axle ratio, dual power sports seats, dual zone electronic climate control, wonderful Bose CD stereo system, fog lamps. Everything on the car is power. It's cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, we always say this car comes with a clean Carfax and is loaded with options. Remember, all of our Corvettes here at Buy-A-Vet are hand-picked. Not everything makes it to our lot or in our inventory, so you can always count on that. Now, to see more detailed pictures and check the pricing on this car, be sure to click the link below. It will take you to all that information. Now, this 2003 Corvette 50th Anniversary Convertible shows 57,382 miles. And let me tell you, it is in nice condition. The car's paint is very good, has a great shine, a very deep shine, in fact. Hope you can see that here on the video. Convertible top is very good as well, and factory 50th Anniversary specific wheels are in place. And the interior of this 2003 Corvette 50th Anniversary Convertible shows very good factory leather seats, steering wheel, center console. Love the Shale color on these interiors. That's why the 50th Anniversary is one of my favorite cars. Door panels, everything, they look great. The only addition to this car appears to be chrome front and rear emblems. This car features a corrosion, so call us today here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia, 770-414-5552. But remember, we're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Hope to hear from you really soon.